Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to find and change the location of Safari download files in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open setting app and then scroll down in last and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can find here Safari. After find Safari, click on it and then scroll down, and here you can see the option downloads. Simply click on downloads. Here you can see two options, iCloud Drive and on my phone. Here you can change the location of your Safari download files on my phone and iCloud Drive, and here you can find your downloads. And if you want to change another location, then simply click on others, and here you can select file and find file, and you can select any location. So this is the way to find and change the location of Safari downloads file in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.